If you have been assigned to determine the top 3 sales and the top 3 bad actors from your original dataset, you can simply use a function called take in Microsoft 365, and here's how you do it. We're going to start off by using a sort function on your top 3 sales here, and we're going to highlight the complete dataset table like this. And given the fact I'm highlighting 2 columns, I have to specify which column to sort it by. I'm going to sort it based on the actual dollar value, which is column number 2, comma, and then this is the order of sorting. I'm going to sort based on descending so that my largest numbers will be right at the top. Close parenthesis and hit enter. And if you can see that all your data set has been sorted according from the highest to the smallest. Now you can encapsulate this sort function with a take function, and the first argument on the take function will be the sort output itself, comma, 3 to indicate the top 3. If you need top 5, you just have to change this 3 to 5. And now if you hit enter, it will give you the top 3 sales from your dataset table. Now for the bad actors, all you have to do is simply copy this in your clipboard like this, Control C to copy, and go over to your bad actor column here and then paste it. To make this formula display the bad actors, simply remove this minus to indicate ascending order and then hit enter. And you can see the top 3 bad actors are listed accordingly.